The U.S. Army has tested a new robotic system that will significantly help in addressing chemical and biological threats. With this robotic system, soldiers can scan the entire vehicle surface using the camera mounted on the platform to identify contaminated areas. Turkish aerospace industries proudly announced a new development milestone for its Anka-III stealth drone, revealing that the unmanned platform successfully retracted its landing gear midair during its most recent flight test, bringing it one step closer to full-rate production and deployment. The Chinese stealth drone GJ-11 Sharp Sword has been spotted undergoing testing. The GJ-11 was designed with a reduced radar signature and uses radar-absorbing materials, allowing it to penetrate heavily defended airspaces without being detected by enemy radar systems. Russian engineers are planning to modernize BMP-3 infantry fighting vehicles by equipping them with mini-drones, thereby enhancing their tactical capabilities and crew safety on the battlefield. The mini-drones are specifically designed for reconnaissance and surveillance missions. Once testing is complete, the drones will be integrated into the vehicle's design. Turkey has successfully conducted a long-range test of its medium-range surface-to-air missile system Hisar-O, showing a step forward in the development of the country's national air defense network Steel Dome. During the test, a Hisar-O battery launched a missile that hit a target over 40 kilometers away with extreme precision, demonstrating the advanced capabilities of the system.